Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this case of Johnny Lightnings. It's from Muscle Cars USA 2020 and it's release 3. I just received these boxes yesterday. I bought box A and B and just reviewed box A. And this is the next color combination. So there you have your case code. I pre-opened the box. As you can see, the paper is still in there. I just had a small peek if they were all right. So let's have a look at these models. And they are very nice. This is a great set of cars. Let's start with this one. And that's Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. And as you can see, it's release 3. And all of these, I think, are limited to 2,834 pieces. There you have some facts. And this one is in cameo white, which is a great color for this Pontiac. I like this car very much in white. The other color is green. It's the green version. There you have your front. And the other car is this on the picture. It's a dark metallic green. There you have your backside. Trans Am on the back. The blue chicken with black. Very nice, this combination. And metal base, of course, with rubber tires. Let's have a look at the packaging. That's how it looks. Let's have a look at the back. There you have your case code. And a chase from another series, 2%. And these are the ones in the case A and case B. Same cars, different colors. So the back is all the same with all the other cars. So the next one, and that's Corvette from 69, a ZL1, as you can see, in Riverside Gold. There you have some info. You can freeze it and read it if you like. And there you have your gold colored Corvette. Front of the car. And the back side with the exhausts. And the top of the car, light brown interior, looks like. Very nice. Metal base, rubber tires. And there's the car from case 1. Case A. Next one. And that's a very nice one again. That's the Dodge Dart GTS from 1969. Also in a very nice color, copper poly. It's a bit like bronze. Very nice addition. I see that the hood is a bit open. I hope it isn't crooked. That's your front. side, nice white stripe on the back. And there's your tail lights and the top of the car and the base with the rubber tires. Nice piece. Next one. And there you have a Pontiac GTO from 1972. And it's in cardinal red with a white top. Also a very nice muscle car, this one. Great model. Same limited edition, 2834. There you have the rims, which are very nice. And the top. And the back side. The base. And the art from the other car, from the other set. And this was the one I was after. This is, for me, this is the best one of this case and of the other case. This is the 1970 AMC Rebel Machine with beautiful livery. With the Rebel Machine as a livery. Really nice. I do have this one in this color without all the writing on it. It's an older casting from Johnny Lightning. They have released this one before in this color, maybe a little bit different. But this is, for me, this is really perfect. Such a nice casting. Frost white, blue, white and red. Same amount, so not so many made of this one. And the other one was black, a black version. There's your base. And let's have a look at the other one to compare them. That's the black one from case A. Both are very nice. So, last one. And the last one is the Ford Mustang in candy apple red, and it's a 1970 Boss 302 Ford Mustang, and the other one was blue. There's your front, nice piece. With a side stripe, and there you have your typical Mustang lights, 3 on each side. The top of the car and the base, rubber tires, and the other one was the blue one from case A. So both very nice. I think I like the blue one better, but that's personal. So that's my small review. Thank you very much for watching. And I do hope to see you next time. And what's your favorite? Please let me know. And have a very good day. Bye.